Hello everyone. My name is Hello everyone. My name is Sid. I'm the owner of the channel, Telegram channel, T Traders, and today it's my first video which I'm going to share with everyone. Um, and the topic which I've chosen is around intraday support and resistance. The reason for the choice is a lot of people ask me this question: how do you find good support and resistance for intraday trading? Now, obviously there are various ways of doing it. I'm going to show you a very simple method to find out the support and resistance for the intraday trading. Okay, and for that we'll be using a Fibonacci tool. Okay, we will be using a Fibonacci tool to find out the support and resistance for intraday trading. Now, I'm sure that most of you are aware about Fibonacci Retracement Tool. If you have been familiar with technical analysis, I'm sure you must have learnt about it. I'm sure you must have used it. I'm sure you must have heard about it at least. Yeah. And today I'm going to show you how I use Fibonacci Retracement Tool to find out support and resistance for intraday trading. Now, the method I'm going to show you is not conventional. Okay, it's a bit different. People might disagree to me, saying that this is not the right way, and it's fine. It's all right. Okay, but I'm not saying that's the only way. I'm not saying this is the correct way. I'm just telling you this is my way. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll learn about how it is used in a conventional method. Okay, how most people use Fibonacci tool to find out support and resistance. Pretty easy actually. On any chart, when you find a significant high or a significant low, okay, you draw a Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, this is a Fair's web trading platform, and similar platform is now available for Zerodha users as well, and it's pretty cool. Okay, I just love this trading platform. Now, Zerodha has also come up with this, so good for them. All right. Now, on this tool, this is a TVS Motors daily chart. Okay, and you'll find a Fibonacci retracement tool over here. Okay, you click on this area, you'll find this Fibonacci retracement tool on this. Click on it. Now, how a conventional way of using it is to find out significant high and significant low. To find out significant high and significant low and draw a Fibonacci tool. So you can draw it like this, from this high to this, from this low to this high, or you can draw it from this low to this high. You might also draw it from, maybe from this low to this high, and it's all fine. It is all correct. Okay, I'm not saying it is the wrong way of doing it, but what I'm going to teach you is how to find out support and resistance for intraday. Okay, for intraday trading. Yeah. Now, let me just switch to a smaller time frame, because since we are talking about intraday trading, and to find out support and resistance for intraday, let me switch to a smaller time frame. Here also, in a conventional way, you use it from significant low on the chart to significant high, and you try to find out or gauge the support and resistance. Some people might draw it like this as well. Okay, and I'm not saying it is incorrect. I'm not saying it is the only way. So people might draw it like this. Some people might draw it like this. Okay. Now, if I give this chart to 5 different people, you may find 5 different highs and lows. People might find 5 different high and lows, and they might draw Fibonacci retracement based on that. Yeah. Now this is the conventional way. This is DV's lab chart. You can again draw from this low to this high and so on and so forth. Now, how I use it to find out support and resistance for next day is, instead of drawing Fibonacci retracement from any random high and low, I draw it from previous day high and low. Okay, I draw it from previous day high and low. So for example, if today is Thursday and if I have to find out the support and resistance for Friday, okay, for next day, what I will do is I will draw Fibonacci retracement from today's high and low, from Thursday's high and low, okay, and it will give me the support and resistance for Friday as well. Yeah, so how I do it is, now just to make it a bit more easy to find out what should be the high and low of Thursday, Friday, and Wednesday, etc., etc. There's a setting here. Click on that. You get to this session break. Now click on this. Now what it will do is it will just give you different days, okay, or different trading ranges. So this is Friday's trading range, this is Thursday trading range, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, and this is Monday. Okay. Now, like I said, if you want to draw it, if you want to find out support and resistance for the next day, so let's just assume that today is Thursday evening, and I want to trade what is this stock? DV's lab. Yeah, I want to trade DV's lab on Friday. So what I'll do is I will draw a Fibonacci retracement from Thursday's high to low. Okay, I've taken this high. So just see here. This is the high of Thursday. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart. This is the high of Thursday, and I think this is the low of Thursday. So I'll just draw it from Thursday high to Thursday's low. Okay, I've just drawn it based upon the data I have on Thursday. I have not seen what will happen on Friday. I don't know. I'm not a person who can predict the future. But the data I have on Thursday is that the stock has made a high of around 1723.95, and stock has made a low of around 1704. And I'll draw a Fibonacci retracement from Thursday's high to Thursday's low, and I'll try to find out the support and resistance for the next day. So this is what happened to the stock next day. Okay, it took the resistance, it took the support at Fibonacci retracement, took the support here, took the resistance. So by doing this, you'll get to know the simple support and resistance for a stock for the next day. Let's see a few more examples. Probably it will help you to understand. Now this is I think what is this, Britannia. Okay, now I think this is the high of Thursday. On the first candle itself it made a high, and this is the low of the stock. Okay, now I've drawn this based on data I have on Thursday. Okay, now this is what happened. Now this is what happened to the stock on Friday. It took the support here, took the support here, took the support here, took the support, took the resistance. So basically it is respecting those levels. It is respecting those Fibonacci levels. Okay, let's see one more. Just is the Scots. Okay, it's already drawn here, so I'll draw it again so that you'll see it again. So this is Thursday's high and this is Thursday's low. I've drawn it like this. Based on Thursday's data, I've drawn the chart, and this is what happened on the Friday. Yeah. Let's see a few more examples. This is Muthoot Finance, I believe. Yeah. This is the high. This is the low. Okay, and the stock started taking the support here. This is Canfin Home. This is the high. This is the low. This is the low. This is the high, and it gives you a decent area of support and resistance. Obviously, nothing is absolutely 100%, but it does work well. Yeah. Now this is HDFC Limited. Okay, so let me just one second. Okay, now for example, I'm looking at the chart on Thursday here. I don't know what will happen on Friday. Okay, so I'm just drawing a Fibonacci Retracement Tool like this. Okay, from Thursday's high to Thursday's low. I think low has happened somewhere at the end of the day. So Thursday's low. Yeah, I've just drawn this chart. Okay, I'm just waiting for the next day. What happens the next day? Okay, now the stock in the opening itself closes or goes below Thursday's low. Okay, now obviously once the stock has gone down, I don't have any support and resistance here. I don't have any Fibonacci levels here. So what to do? Okay, don't worry guys, no need to panic. Okay, what you need to do just is, let me just reset the chart again. It looks better. Okay, what you need to do is, instead of drawing from high to low, just draw again from low to high. From low to high. Simple. Okay, once the stock has gone above or below your support and resistance, okay, then you can just draw it bit differently. Let's see if any stock which has gone down. I'll show you something. Let's see Larsen. Okay, now I'm not sure what will happen next day. Okay, I don't know what will happen next day. What I'll do is, I've just drawn a Fibonacci tool from, I think this is the high, obviously. Yeah, and this is the low. On the first candle itself, it made a low of 1371. So from high to low, I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I'm just waiting for the next day. What will happen next day? Now what happens next day is, the stock breaks below the previous day low. Now obviously my drawing will not work here, because I have to find out support now, where the stock might find support. Okay, so no need to panic. Just delete this drawing, recreate it again from low to high. From low to high, and then you will find the support and resistance for the stock. Okay, pretty cool, isn't it? Let's see one more example. So At first, oh sorry, this is not the low. The low is here. This is the low, okay, of Thursday, and this is the high of Thursday. I've just drawn it like this. All right, and the stock is taking support and resistance here. This is landmark from low to high. Suppose I've drawn this chart like this, okay, and stock in the first 5-10 minutes itself has moved beyond the previous day high. The stock has moved beyond previous day high. Now I have to find the resistance of the stock, okay, where it can find the resistance. Okay, so what I'll do is, now my drawing has failed. Okay, obviously this will not work, so I have to draw it opposite, from high to low. Simple, isn't it? Now you'll find a decent support and resistance area here. Okay. Now let me show you the setting as well. So suppose one more example. Suppose this is on Wednesday. The stock has done really well. Okay, it's recovered from the low. That it moved up high. Okay, I've drawn the low and high. I've drawn the retracement level from low to high. I'm just waiting for the next day. Next day, the stock did not break either the low or the high, low or high, and the stock is just taking the support and resistance at the given levels. It's just moving in a short, tight range. Okay, like what Tata Motors did. Tata Motors futures. Yeah, I think this is what happened to Tata Motors. You would have drawn a Fibonacci level from this point to this point. Next day, on Friday, the stock just moved between those Fibonacci supports and resistance. Okay. Now, I'm just going to show you a setting as to what I have done. I'll just keep it here for a couple of minutes. You can copy it, use the same thing, or pause the video and make the similar settings there, or you can choose otherwise as well. It's up to you. You can choose. You can use this instead of this. It's up to you. It's all up to you. Okay. But I'm just my method is to find out the support and resistance based on the previous day high and low. And then, these settings you can change. If you want to, have something else, you can use that. Yeah. So I think that's about it. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you share it as well to your friends, family members, whosoever is into trading. Maybe they will also find it useful to find out support and resistance. One last thing, I know you might ask me as to how do I use this? How do I use support and resistance? Whether it is this or whether it is any other support and resistance, how do I use it? Now, I've given Maruti on Thursday, on Friday, and it really did well. Yeah, Maruti did really well. I've given the call option at around 107 rupees. It went to 195 odd. Okay, and now on Monday, what will happen? Now Monday, a lot of these analysts, a lot of TV channels, a lot of people, since Maruti has given a good closing, it closed near day's high, it has made a big bull candle, it has given a breakout. A lot of people will want to trade Maruti on Monday. Okay. Now, how do I trade Maruti on Monday? Now, obviously, I'm bullish on the stock, so obviously I'll look for buying opportunities. Okay, I'll look for buying opportunities. So what I'll do is, this is Friday session. This is the low on Friday. This is the high on Friday. Okay. So, example, I've done this. Okay. I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement from low to high. Now, what can happen on either the stock will come down to these support levels. Okay, either it can come down to 7350 or to 7300. Both of them are obviously a decent level because of options as well. So obviously, if on Monday I want to buy Maruti, I'll try to buy near support. So this is obviously a Fibonacci support here. This is a Fibonacci support. This is a Fibonacci support. So I'll try to buy as close as possible to these levels. So that's how you should use support and resistance. Now, if at all, for example, it breaks in the opening itself, if it breaks Friday's high, quite possible, yeah. So obviously this drawing will fail because there is no other levels on the upside. So what I'll do is I'll redraw this drawing from high to low. Simple, yeah. And then you'll get all these resistance levels as well. So either the stock breaks on the upside, take the resistance, comes down near the support, there you can buy, so on and so forth. Obviously, you can buy on the breakout as well if you are a bit aggressive trader, because any case the stock has taken the resistance here, taken the resistance again at the same level. So this level itself is pretty significant. Twice it has taken the resistance. If the stock breaks above this level and stays there, stays above this 7394 for some time, makes a couple of candles there, you can buy that stock for the targets of around 7467 and so on and so forth. Yeah. So that's how you should use the support and resistance. Not only Fibonacci ones, the one which I've shown you, but if you're using pivot points, if you're using gun lines, if you're using any other mathematical calculation, high plus low plus close by 2 or by 4, or different ways, different methods. The support and resistance should be you should buy near support, sell near resistance. That's how it should work. So that's about it. I think I've covered most of what I wanted to cover. Let me just think about it. If I missed something, no, I think it is done. That's about it. If you have any questions, pretty easy actually. I'm not sure. I'm sure you must. You'll find it useful. Do practice it. Do backtest it. See, today's Sunday. Look at a couple of charts. See how it goes, and let's see. So obviously, there's not a conventional way of using it. And in my trainings, whatever I teach is a bit of unconventional. Okay, you'll not find it, over the web. You'll not find it in others as well. I try to do things a bit differently. In my the way I trade, or how I take the trade, I teach that, and again, it's a bit different. So if you wish to join my training session coming Sunday, do let me know, ping me here, and let's see. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.